Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix OnePlus is not turning on. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So if your OnePlus mobile is not turning on and it's powered off, so connect it to charger and charge it for a while. And after charging your mobile 2 to 3 hours, turn it back on. If you are still facing the problem turning your mobile on, then use a different charger. If you are using a different charger, then use your original OnePlus mobile charger. But if you are still facing the problem and your mobile is still not turning on, then check any physical damage to your mobile. If you have dropped your mobile and it's now not working, then take your mobile to official support center. They will fix your problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.